three major political parties in Meghalaya, the United Democratic Party UDP, the Voice of the People Party VPP and the Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP have submitted their recommendations to the expert committee reviewing the state's reservation policy. The expert committee is expected to review the proposals and submit its recommendations to the Meghalaya government. The UDP has suggested increasing job quotas in line with population proportions, emphasizing the importance of considering population data during the policy revision. UDP General Secretary Dr. Jemino Mautho stressed that teaching positions should have equal distribution of quotas among the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garo communities to ensure merit-based selection.
Nadu untuk report hingga ajmut ya ke sarkar ba ada pentrikam ya ke roster system keriban pentrikam nang ni syakmat long prospectively katamun nadu arajar arpulai terter mendai syu banyan ban faidin kan nadu kisnem ki bala led no mo dia kata ngila ban ha nak kalian jongi di kebaar pede kembaya keren lang kiwe nomor ladang ya keren kabai di bad ka reservation ni shim ya ke kepala tho kariti sosial jong kari India ketu ke article 16.4 mo balada don ke jing duna dan ke inadequacy hak representation dai dia kata mud ni ban kam ai benta ya kitu kiba duna kan mo hak bai dai berkata ke inadequacy of representation tambah ke juga poru ni haman pet ya ka jingbun beriu nomor bapi hari India berkawai lada 7.5 kade amang namta shul tribe khatsan kade namta shul kas arpunyo kade namta OBC tingi ngisko ba kumju hi kumbale hakabai dei bat kanika inadequacy of representation but haju ko por ka population nei katamut kanika bha kebangi dei banyo nakaliang jungiru kan nak kamkiu kan namar habangi pet ya ke jing roi ke ST population ke state ke jongi ngila kamkiu tingi ngisko ba ladangi la kamkiu kum ke ST population dia kini ka bha akabai de reservation ru ai bakan kiu nak propose ka proposal namar ke ST population ke lakiu dia lada hadian ci postem ka yar dia tilaman ya review biang dia kataru ketika wei ke bangi ban nak yang jongi but sakawiru namar ka reservation policy kadan jingan dei bat bon ke AKA mo ya hakabai dei bat kini ki educational institutions ni kwa ba ya kata ka ha thungkam hakabai dei bikino hi kairu nei kade banlong open kan namar ba lada kadan kata ka reservation katambut kani ka quality jong ke education ru hakaka bakan kiu kalaban hiar ya hakabai dei bikini ki professional courses ru mo ni ong ba hakabai de begini professional courses kidi banlong by on merit basis mo kamla banlong ba uwe yo tak sabusan uyo uwe yo under 4% pada umyo kabam la long ta nei tingi kwa ba kan long hatan kom sakawai lu kawai ka point ka bangibu ka long ba pi kumale hari India nalor ki ST nalor ki OBC nalor ki SC kadon ru ka reservation nak ke economically weaker section de nakaliang ke jungiru ngila ajing mud ba let's say nakaliang do kani komiti kala ban perkhat ke mechanism ban wanra mo kanang ba kini ki baduk ki basitom ki ba kham jenjar ki ba ka jingmi ki jongki kham duna nakaliang jong kini ki jong ka ki khasi jantia ba ki garo bagin kham ai ka bha ka ba kham kerpang kan ki bakin wan kham syakmat kan nakaliang jongki kini ki baduk ki basitom ki ba jenjar pli mo.
The VPP has proposed job quotas based on population proportions, rejecting backwardness as a criterion. VPP spokesperson Dr. Bats Kemmerbo argued that providing larger quotas to disadvantaged communities is unjustified.
Kawai kalong kumdi, ka kribil ya, mo, hak jela ka jungi. Ngidon kam ya ka good governance. Ka good governance ka ba ngi hapan kinpiu ya ki nong kintong kita. Ham tam hakaliang jong ke education. ngiem la ban kentiu ya kinong kendong jogi da ka bangi wegno ya kita ki kribil da ya na ki ST ngan ok hok pi ha ka jela ka jogi ki bun ki bami na nong kendong ki balik bah ki balong successful lagi jing ngan ok pi kan example mangan kong nong kendong kami na nong kendong ibe pa jogi di kinong rap what we need kalau bangi don't come by jaga good school good education bangin kiyo give ngam terkamba special reservation bang ngam bisnis lu yaki digi paralok ngam gimana sor ba ban kentaj no yaki hendai ka ek bagi don't come sunong gondong kolong bagi don't come good infrastructure don't come good school don't come good teachers amre give don't come help books.
The HSPDP suggested allocating 80% of government job reservations equally between the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garo communities based solely on merit. HSPDP General Secretary Panboran Tathyang emphasized the party's opposition to population-based quotas, seeking reforms that ensure fairness without favoring any specific group.
Article 14 equality. See, nomor tatang ni ong ban penhe ni ban perit yung 40 in order of merit. Di kata di miso. Nomor lo kaja kata 50% manu ban sim jim akhli. Mara kali HSPDP you are very clear. But 40 plus 40 is 80% and in order of merit. And number 2, harwede barka reservation of district. Yung 80% ringing yung 90%. HAKOM, hang to 1976 hambal HAKOM. Negara Kristen di waktu. Long bangi mga ban penia kaju. Ka reservation 40-40 for state, but ka district. Hang to ladan kikni bong, it cannot be strictly adhered. Ya ketika 40-40, hapo district kumbah state. Nomor tatang ni 90%. Nang buka ke employment hapo district level. Nomor kan ni kalau non-transferable job. Nomor tatang ni 90%. Haburo ke district lang kasi Jaintia lang di Garo Hills.